It's supper time. We're gonna griddle up some onions, some chicken, some asparagus from the garden, and some potatoes. And the Blackstone is heating up. Ralph Man's Outdoors. We're about to get cooking, so let's do it. Potatoes are doing good. Now we'll go down with the onions. I like some sauteed onions. And then we'll go down with the chicken in just a little bit. We're going to toss the potatoes around just a little bit. Looks like they're starting to get done on one side. And we're about to season them up. Oh yeah. Those are all flipped and cooking up nice. We'll hit this side with some all-purpose as well. And let that go for a minute. We're going to add a little oil over here on this side and go down with the asparagus. Oh yeah. We'll get these cooking up, add a little all-purpose to them, and then we'll turn off these burners and just keep them warm here on this side so that we can add them to the onions over here on the other side, and they'll be ready once we get the chicken done. Some of these won't take long at all. We got a couple of big ones like that one right there. They may still be a little crunchy, but these all came from the garden. We got more in the garden to go pick, and this is about all we could eat tonight. So let's get her done. Now we're going to go down with the chicken. Potatoes are looking good. They're almost done. Asparagus is looking great. Onions are completely done. We've got them up against the edge. So let's get this chicken cooked. Listen to the sizzle. Want to get it all spread out. Get a little FaceTime for all of it. There we go. I've got the burners on low, but they had been on high. So this won't take long at all. We're going to hit this with some tequila lime. Good and coated. We'll flip this here in just a second, and this will be ready to plate. I've turned off the asparagus and onion side. So some of the asparagus was getting very floppy, although some of the bigger pieces may still be a little bit crunchy, but that's okay. You can actually eat asparagus raw. I just don't prefer it that way. Well, we got the potatoes off, except for that one. There's the chicken, the onions, and the asparagus, so let's go get it plated up. No. That's a good looking plate. Now let's give it a try. Time to give it a try. We've got our asparagus and onions. That's good. Potatoes.
Some add like a little bit of pepper and
Now let's try the chicken.
I would just do 1 part mustard, 1 part mayonnaise, and then
Nice and tangy with the tequila lime. If you liked it, found anything helpful, give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, God bless.